Hi friends, I'm Nageshwar. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. You are watching Mozilla Firefox browser tutorials. In this video, I will show you how to enable pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox browser. Normally, when we are browsing the internet, automatically some pop-up windows frequently appear without our permission. These pop-ups open on top of the current Firefox window, while others appear underneath the Firefox. These are called as pop-unders. To access pop-up blocker settings, click on Menu button and select to Options. Choose Privacy and Security in left panel. Scroll down and come to Permission section. By default, pop-up blocking is turned on, so we don't have to worry about enabling it to prevent pop-ups from appearing in Firefox. Let's open a site. Firefox displays an information bar as well as icon in the address bar when it blocks a pop-up. Click on Options in the information bar. We will get a menu with few choices. Allow pop-ups for that website. Edit pop-up blocker options. And do not show this message when pop-ups are blocked. If you want to allow this, please click on Allow pop-ups for current website showing here. Then it will open those pop-ups in another window. And if you want to allow specific websites to use pop-ups, we can add them to the list of allow websites. For that, click on Exceptions. Then it will open a window where we can specify which websites are allowed to open pop-up windows. Type the exact address of the site you want to allow and then click on Allow. Then it will add those websites to this exceptions list. If you want to remove a website from the exceptions list, select that website and click on Remove Website. And if you want to remove all websites at once, simply click on Remove All Websites. And if you see the address bar with the Tracking Protection button and the Site Identity button, which are showing as a shield icon and a padlock icon in the pop-up window, that means the pop-up is coming from the Firefox. If we don't see these buttons, the resulting pop-ups may be due to malware in our computer. And if you want to disable the pop-up blocker, simply uncheck the box next to Block Pop-up Windows. Like this, we enable pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox browser. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and share this video with your friends. ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.